Okay, welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. um as you know, my name is Oluchukwu Ughagwu, and today I'll be making an analysis on AUDCAD, AUDCAD. Last week we made our analysis on nzdusd. We predicted a buy, and we can see we gave two instances for our buy analysis. We're looking at our 61.8 Fibonacci level, and we're also looking at this level of support, and we can see how the market respected this level of support and gave us a strong move to the upside, just as we had analyzed. We can see if you had taken this trade, you would have caught over 100 pips. I mean, with good risk management, you should have caught. Let's be realistic. Yeah, with good risk management, you should have caught your 100 pips. With proper risk management, you could have had a small drawdown if you had taken the trade at this 61.8 Fibonacci level. That's why you would have had a small drawdown, but if you had taken the trade at this level also, you would have scored yourself 100 pips. So today we'll be looking at AUDCAD. We're starting our analysis from the monthly time frame. So as you can see, I have carefully drawn out my resistance and support level from our monthly time frame. So let's move down to our weekly and see what the market is telling us. Now, as you can see, we're on a strong move to the downside on the weekly time frame. The market first made this small sell move, came back to retest our level of resistance and went impulsively to the downside. This is to show us that we're already in a downtrend from our weekly time frame. So let's go down to the daily time frame. As you can see, the market is on a strong impulsive move to the downside, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. At this point, we had this is like a triple bottom. We had a triple bottom here, and then we saw the market move impulsively to the upside, but we were not able to break this level of resistance. Then we saw the market coming back to break this level of support. So our overall outlook on this pair is sell opportunities. The overall trend of this pair is to the downside, but as you all know, even if the market is giving you even if the overall trend of the market is to the upside or to the downside, you can still make buys and sells within these upward moves, and you can still make buys and sell analysis even in a downtrend. So let's go forward, because we are not swing traders. My style of trading is not swing trading. I am a day trader, and sometimes I scalp, but I'm more of a day trader. So let's go down to our 4-hour time frame and see. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market bounced off this level of support that I have drawn here. We saw the market forming this falling wedge, and you all know when you see a falling wedge, we're expecting a strong move to the upside after the falling wedge. So the market created a falling wedge here, and we moved impulsively to the upside. Now the thing is that from this pair, I'm looking at the market to make a strong retracement to the upside. I know the overall trend of this market is to the downside, but I am expecting this market to make a pullback to the upside. Now I'm saying this from my analysis on the daily time frame. We can see that the markets moved impulsively to the downside from this level. Now we go to this area of support, and we are seeing there's there's a weakness in the sell move the market is making. There is no strength. It's as if the market is in its exhaustive phase. We are not able to push further to the downside, and that is why we are having this small consolidation. And when we moved to our 4-hour time frame, we saw that small consolidation on the daily time frame was actually forming a falling wedge, and you can see how we broke out impulsively to the upside. Now I'm still expecting more move to the upside from this pair AUDCAD. I'm expecting more buys for this week rather than sells. So as you can see, we broke out of this trend line that we have here, and we see the market bounced off this area of resistance and is doing a pullback. This has not changed my bias. I'm still biased on this pair. I'm expecting the market to do a small pullback to this level of support that we have here. I'm expecting the market to pull back to this level of support, then we'll see a further continuation to the upside. So that is our analysis on AUDCAD, and let's see how that plays in this coming week. Thank you.